Do you know the sound of a woman? The sound, not a tone of a voice. The moment you see her, a warm and soft glow wraps you around. The sound that radiates electrical waves and startles every inch of your skin. The sound that blinds your consciousness and crosses the universe to hit your heart. Do you know the sound of a woman? In her hesitating posture when decisions are made. Diffidence that hides her dominant role. An iron hand and a red suede glove. The sound like an intimate murmur to attract you to her darkest side. The sound that soothes your nerves before you fall into a desired trap. Do you know the sound of a woman? Do you want to go deeper into her shades? Beware, a woman is a heart lock with multiple keys.